Share your screen, Mas. Oke. Mari kita mencoba soal yang paling mudah ya, the easiest problem from IOI 2021. We just finished last night, baru saja selesai tadi malam. Singapore team, amazing. For people Singapore team, 3 gold, 1 silver. 3 gold, 1 silver for Singapore. Indonesia team, the reverse, 1 gold, 3 silvers. Yeah, right. 1 gold, 3 silvers, and Pikatan won the gold again. So congratulations for Pikatan. Yeah, we are very proud. Maybe we can show also. Let's show the result. Preliminary result. Preliminary result.
Nobody got perfect score. What? How?
Yeah, 1% got perfect score. Crazy, yeah. And rank 1, 2, 3, 4 are China. So this is the result from last night. Oh, amazing! The top one got perfect score. So anyway, Singapore has 3 gold medal, 1, 2, 2. Where is the third one? Yeah. Oh, the last one here, 3 gold medal. Indonesia has 1 gold medal from Pikatan again, because Pikatan last year already got gold medal also. Yeah. Very clever. We should learn from him. You can learn from him. And the rest, one from Singapore got silver, and 3 from Indonesia got silver also. 1, 2, mana satunya nih? 3 ya, 3. Nicholas Patrick, right? Nicholas Patrick, Rama Arya Suta, and Edgar. Yeah. So 3 silvers. Anyway, congratulations for Indonesia team. Now we also notice, right? If we look at the problem here, 6 problem, 3 in the first day, 3 in the second day. We were trying to do the easy problem in day 1, but it turns out to be not so easy. You see, even the gold medalists are not perfect, you see. Now we see that the problem in day 2, the NA problem, this one, looks like the easiest, because a lot of, every gold medalist got perfect. Yeah. And almost all of the silver medalists also got perfect 100. Only 1% didn't get 100. Right? And bronze medalists, also, like almost everyone who got medal, yeah, only 1%.
Only one.
So out of 100 over people, yeah, how many nih? 173 people who got medals, only 2% couldn't do problem DNA, problem 1 in day 2. And those who couldn't get medal also, you see, all the way down, you still see a lot of perfect scores there. So this is clearly the easiest problem. The easiest problem in this 2021 IOI. So we want to try that, okay? Just release in TLX. And we can see that someone already solved also perfect score. So let's read this problem. Let's read this problem.
We define a mutation to be an operation of the DNA sequence where 2 elements of the sequence are shared. For example, AATC. Oh, yeah. Mutation distance between 2 sequences is the minimal number of mutations required to transform one sequence to another. And minus 1. This is analyzing the two DNA sequences A and B, both consisting of n elements with indices from 0 to n minus 1. Your task is to help Grace answer 2 questions. What is the mutation distance within the substring AX minus 1 and the AX until Y until BX until Y? Here a substring. Now DNA sequence S is defined to be a sequence of the consecutive characters of S with indices for X to Y into Z. The SX is plus Y into S1. We should implement AB supplement and display distance. Inlet distance in
You get the problem?
No. Oh wait.
So basically, imagine you have two DNA sequence, yeah? Two DNA
Yeah.
sequence with the length of n, yeah, like ATC, CTA, TAA, TTCA, like that, right? And then you got
Yeah.
another one with the same length, right? But slightly different or very different. Now the question is, can you mutate? Can you mutate from the first one to second one, or the other way around? It's the same, right? If mutation is swapping two letters, swapping, swap. Nah, if you can, then you need to tell how many mutation is the shortest. Minimum mutations that you need, minimum swap that you need to change from one sequence to another sequence.
I know how
But
to find out if it's possible or not.
gimana?
I know how to know if it's impossible. Hmm.
How?
It is if it's possible, then the same letters are still in the next, the same
Correct.
number of sequences.
Yes. If the same numbers of letters show up, exactly the same, then it's possible. If any of it different, right? So number of A is different, or number of T is different, or number of C is different, then it's impossible, because mutation here, you cannot introduce new letter, right? You cannot edit the letter, right? You can only swap. Yes, you are correct, Mas. So telling if it is impossible is easy. Now that we know it's impossible, now that we know how to check impossible or possible, how do we then calculate the shortest? Nah, ini dikasih contoh nih. There's an example ya. ATA-CAT becomes ACT-ATA. Okay, how do you do this? Actually very easy. What? I think I know lah. You know, if the letter in the same position is the same, like this one, right?
Divide by two. Just
Yeah,
find one.
right?
Divide by
Yeah,
two.
exactly, right? You wanna try? Try.
Okay.
Good. Try.
Wait. I have to check if it's possible or not. That's the hard part to find in C++.
No lah, you count, right? You said yourself, you count.
Yeah, but then you have to count one by one. The
Yeah, it's
letters.
okay. What? You count, right? So like count A, count T, count C. There's only three possibilities, right?
Oh really? Oh yeah, I didn't. So wait. Count C++. Is it actually count?
Oh, you want to use string method, yeah. You can also process one by one, actually, right?
Right.
You need to process one by one anyway. Okay, let me also do, yeah. I'll also try, yeah.
Find
I'm also doing. We are sharing your screen, but I'm also doing.
of characters in a string. C++. For int I equals 0, string I not equals to n0. Huh? What's this? I not equal to 0. What's this?
Hmm?
What's this?
I have no idea. I think it's the end of array. /0 is end of array. Is it array though in the input? Is the input array?
String.
Oh, okay. Then /0 is the end of the string then.
Okay. If string I equals string count plus plus. Okay. Can just check one by one.
Okay, input is string, yeah.
So string A and string B. The distance. Why is it integer? Why is it integer? Why is the argument integer? That's weird. A B strings of length n. Oh. So sub A, substring of A is equals to string sub A. So for int I equals 0, I smaller than A. Oh no, for int I equal x, I smaller than A dot length. A dot length. I don't understand. If the init is here, if the string is here, then yeah, how do you get the in? I mean, how do you get the string?
How do we get the string?
Hmm.
Okay, so you read in the problem, right? You need to implement two function, right? The first
Hmm.
one is init. As the name implies, it's to initialize, meaning it will be only called once. So init will be called once, yeah, by the judge. Judge will call your init first. After calling your init, then they will call your get distance multiple times according to how many test case they want to test. You get it?
No.
So let's say in this example, you scroll down, right? So the grader will call init once. Init ATACAT, comma ACT once, right? You scroll up a bit, right? So it will call init once, and then after that, it will call a few times. Get distance 1,3, get distance 4,5, like that. In the example, it's given like that, right? So if it calls get distance 1,3, you should return 2. Calls get distance 4,5, you should return 1.
But how do you get the string from the get distance?
You can pass. Oh yeah, you can put it in global if you like, actually. But now, yeah, you see, Mas, the idea is that means you may not really need to do, you may not really need to pass the string anymore, right? You can, in the init, you process something, you come up with some number, right? And then yeah, and then you find the distance.
What?
I think you will need like the prefix sum or something like that. Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Just globalize it.
Yeah, you can try globalizing it.
String uh, S1, S2 equal A equal B. So do I do it like this? How do you globalize uh variable? I don't know. To do this, is it like that? Void init. String S1 S2. Will this work? like this, and then yeah, it's maybe. Then
Oh, ada hint dari Om Fushar tuh. Copy the args into global variables. Yeah,
yes,
just
that's
copy
what
it
I did.
into global variables.
That's what I
So
did.
you haven't declared the global variable. Oh, yeah, okay, okay, you have here. Sorry, sorry, I didn't see that it's on top. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, Om Fushar.
Let's just start.
Okay,
X.
we got someone helping us with the hint. Yay, yay, yay.
Let's say the distance 1, 3. 1, 3 off. 0, 1, 2, 3. I smaller than or equals to S1 minus length. No. Smaller than or equal to, no, smaller than or equal to Y. I have to make 6 integers. Yeah, 6 integers, or I can just make an array. Nah, I need 6 integers lah. Make it. T count A actually no, I'm supposed to just sub A I equal this. How do you get the link? 5 S1 S2 get substring or string C. Because S1 dot substring. Okay, so string string what's the string? The sub of A equals to S1 dot substr X to Y. Hey, that easy. Okay. And sub B equals to S2 dot substr X Y. So I have the substrings now. Then I count for int I equals 0. Oh no, I make 2 arrays. std string count 6 equal 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 count A. Okay. Count B 3 equal 0, 0, 0. Just, oh, the background. Okay, so now I have the count since I equals 0. I smaller than sub A dot length I plus if sub A I is an A and then count sub A 0 plus plus Oh, plus equal 1. Yeah. So why doesn't plus work? Does this not work? Okay, so it doesn't work. Didn't know that. Else if sub a I is a T, switch sub a I. Space A.
Okay, Mas, you got a hint from Husar. Read very carefully definition of string substring.
Oh, did I miss something?
Ya. Nah, itu coba. Yang the first one aja. Definition aja, first link tadi loh. Go to the first link aja.
This one?
Yeah, I think it's got to do with your indexing, ya.
3 to
So
5.
3 to 5. What does 3 to 5 mean? Is it inclusive or not inclusive?
Let's see. 1 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. It's inclusive.
It's inclusive, ya. So different from Python, ya. Oh wait, is the 3 there? Is it the length? Is it the length or is it the position?
It's
Size.
length, it's a length.
The length.
Oh, no
M
wonder.
besar. Yeah, so it's different from Python, ya. Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
how do we find the length?
The length, the length is simple, right? X minus y, y minus x, ya. Y minus x plus 1 is the length, right?
Yeah. Because x plus 1 is 0 until 1. 1 minus 0 plus. Yeah, okay. Correct.
Ini actually Fusar might as well join us in the live stream ini. Let us know if you are available to join. We can give you the link privately.
Oh, yeah. Equal 1.
Saya tadi juga mau bikin mana tadi ya? What did I want to do?
This
Oh yeah.
E count sub A I mean 1 0 plus equal 1 is C count 2 plus equal 1. Okay. Oh, I forgot to break. Break default break. Now I just need to copy this whole thing. B B B B. Okay. That's ATC is the count frequency of A, T, and C. What does it mean? And now we have the frequency. Like this. This one is until here. If sub count sub A 0 equal to count sub D 0 and count sub D 1 equal to count sub D 0. And count sub A 2 equals the count to 2. If it is, then we look through for in I equal 0, I smaller than x minus y plus 1. It's 2, 0, 1. Yeah, okay. If I equals 0, I smaller than x minus y plus 1. Uh, integer in long need to mutate equals 0. Expression is the test if count sub A I equals x equal to count sub B I need mutate plus plus. If count sub B, there is this ending here, else. Wait, what are we supposed to? Which try to return 1?
Apa?
Return 0. Wait, so if it's impossible, return minus 1.
Hmm?
Else, return minus 1. And then for int I, equal 0, I let it count. Return need to divide by 2. Yeah. Is this correct? Because I cannot test, is the problem. I cannot test it if it's correct.
You can always just submit if you think it's easier to do that.
The ending, like CPP. Oh yeah, refresh. Runtime error.
Error. Can you zoom in and see what error you get?
What's runtime error again?
Maybe your pointer, array out of bound exception, that kind of thing. It doesn't say, yeah. I think okay. You need to try calling this using the grader, or you can debug your code. No,
Yeah.
use the terminal mas and call the grader run cpp.sh itu. Yeah, go to the folder. It's download, right?
The folder.
No. In the terminal, you can go to the folder. Do you know how to go to the download folder? CD, yeah,
Oh
CD.
yeah. Ini download
Yeah,
DNA.
yes.
And then what do I do? G++. Oh yeah.
LS
Okay.
dulu aja, LS.
Let's give an examples.
CD cpp.
Yeah, but then the examples. Oh wait. Let me check.
I think the grader already handles this probably. Coba just run aja coba. Dot
Dot
compile spp coba.
compile
Dot slash sorry dot slash
dot slash
compile itu. Nah, tab. No, there's a file, right? Yeah, press tab. Enter.
Enter.
Okay, then we need to compile ourselves, yeah. The compile doesn't work in Mac. Yeah, how do we compile in Mac? Yeah? How do we test this? Oh, ada hint lagi tuh mas. Check type of count sub. What is the type of your count sub? It's a
Oh my
string.
god. Oh my, what is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I don't understand what is wrong with me.
Thank you, Om Pusara. Om Pusara is helping debugging. Okay, just try
Yeah,
something.
oh, so good.
It's good lah. That means you have attempted.
Yeah.
You're better than me. I have not even attempted.
Huh? I thought you also.
I have not submitted,
Wrong
right? Oh, good.
answer.
Okay, at least it's not runtime error. Thank you, thank you. Okay, but this wrong answer, mas.
Huh?
Oh, but one accepted. Okay,
What is wrong? Yeah.
one accepted. Okay, so it's not that wrong lah. It's not that wrong banget gitu. You need to figure out now. You debug ya. Oh, yang divide by 2, when you divide by 2, right? Do you need to put a bracket there in the divide by 2 itself, like the whole thing, put a bracket?
Do you?
Yeah, like that, yeah.
Or just-
Coba. Just happen to see it.
No.
Because I'm not sure if you just say int, is it just, okay, still wrong answer.
Yeah, accept that.
Still accept, okay. Okay, you find out then. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm continue doing mine. Switch case. What is the syntax of switch case? Oh, like that, yeah. Okay.
Hey. What is wrong? What is wrong here? In I equals 0, I smaller than I1, x plus 1. Will it be correct if I just change this to? Nah, because it's already length. Still the same thing. Into 0, I smaller than x minus y plus 1. If count sub a not equal. But if it is equal, then I don't do anything. String sub a as 1 is structure x y minus x plus 1 b equals to s plus 1. So for in I equals 0, I smaller than switch sub ai. If sub ai is a it can be using I. Do the oh my god! I found my mistake.
You found your mistake.
So this is I'm checking if the sub the count of the sub, not the sub.
Yeah.
Alamak. I found
Okay,
my
try again.
mistake.
Good.
So
It's good to make mistake as long as we learn from it.
wrong answer. Still wrong answer.
But do you get more AC? No. Still
No,
wrong answer.
still
Okay, you continue debugging, yeah.
did I initialize everything correctly? If the letter is not the same, then I increase the need to mutate by one. Wait, when you divide by 2, is it already integer? When you divide by 2, is it already integer? So we don't need to do this.
Okay, hold on. How do you know it's divided by 2? Let's say you have 3 different locations.
Yeah, correct.
If you have 3 different locations, what happened? How many times do you need to swap?
2.
2, right?
So swap 1. No. Swap 1. No, it will be impossible. It will be impossible. So
So let's say
A,
you have ATC, and TAC.
ATC,
Eh, no. ATC and CAT.
ATC,
ATC, CAT.
AT.
ATC, CAT. How many swaps do you need?
ATC, CAT. Wait, so A, ATC,
Uh,
CAT.
ada hint juga tuh Mas dari Om Fusar tuh. You need to check your for condition.
Where?
I think your for condition, you have only one for condition, right? Actually,
Check for condition.
line 41 lah maybe. What are you trying to do here? Line 41. If it is different, if it is the same, what is that? Can you move to the right a bit? Scroll. I can't see the full line of line 40. What is that?
So if the number of A in sub A is the same as the number of A in sub B, and the number of T in sub A is the same as the number of T in sub B,
Okay.
C in sub
Okay. If it is the same, that means it's possible, right? Then you need to for loop. What is your for loop here? Why do you start from 0, Mas? Oh, okay.
because it's the sub.
What is sub? What is sub A sub B? Can you scroll up a bit? How do you define sub A sub B?
Sub A is the substring of S1, which is the previous.
Okay.
And sub B is the substring of
Okay.
2.
Okay. Go down again. If it is not equal, the need to mutate. Yeah, looks like the for condition is okay. Let me see. No, X minus Y salah lah, Mas. Kok X minus Y gimana sih?
What? Y minus X. Y.
That's why, right? This kind of thing is safer. You just, see, Om Fusar. It's safer that you just define a variable called length or substring length, right? So you don't make this mistake because you write Y minus X plus 1 only once. Yeah, you should have done that.
Now it's odd.
That is okay. Yeah. Now let's think about the divide by 2. Is it correct? Divide by 2?
No.
So if it is ATC, CAT, how many swap do we need to do?
2. So this
2.
one, that's
So if it is odd, you need to plus 1, right?
plus 1 and then divide by 2.
Yeah.
So
You need to plus 1 divide by 2. Yes. Yes, correct.
Need to mutate plus need to mutate modulo 2.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Can. All right. Okay, let's do that. Let's try that. Thank you, Om Fusar.
Oh yeah. Okay. Time limit exceeded.
Good. Yay! That means you got a point. How many points do you get? 2 subtasks, yeah?
How can I see?
Wow,
43.
you got 43. Yay! 43. Very good. 43 points from IOI.
Nice.
Yay.
Time limit exceeded and wrong answer.
Okay, can we see your rank now? Okay, let me share my screen now. So, what is your rank now? Just for fun,
43.
just for fun, right? So, problem 1 you got 3 points. Problem 4 you got 43 points, so you got 46. That means you are 46. Oh my god, okay lah, can lah.
353.
You are better than
Better than
someone from Dominican Republic, someone from Chile, and someone from Nigeria. Okay, good job.
Yay.
You got 46 points in IOI. Okay, let's continue again. Okay, continue again now. So now you find how to speed up, right? How to speed? Oh, one wrong answer, no?
Wait.
Answer.
Don't tell me because it's very long. What is the constraint for it? What if I change to long? Will it matter?
I don't know. How long? It's only 100,000. No,
Yeah.
doesn't matter. You don't need to. But you got a wrong answer, yeah? That's interesting.
This was subtask 4.
Subtask 4. Your wrong answer is subtask 4. What is that? Y, X. Interesting. Brute force still get wrong answer.
So it's not brute force.
Okay. 46 points for IOI. Not so bad, huh?
If it's constant, then it's so easy.
Yeah, but it will be too slow. It will be CLE even for subtask 2.
I can make this shorter. What about, will it matter like this? Will it matter like this? I check if I count the number of. It doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay, Mas. Now you know what you do currently. Can you show me your init method, init function? You are not doing anything in init. That means all the heavy lifting, all the heavy work, you do every single time in get distance. That's why it's time limit exceeded. Now you need to think, how can you build something in init? You do it only once, just one time aja, right? So that your get distance do not need to do a lot of things.
I can create the substring there.
Okay, you can try. Go ahead, try. But you don't know X and Y, so that means you need to create. Yeah, I don't think you need to create the substring actually. Substring is.
Yeah,
okay, I mean, go ahead, think about it. But basically, how can you move a lot of the heavy lifting, calculation, processing, logic, whatever? You do it once first for everything. So any possible X and Y, right? You prepare first, prepare one time. So that later when they call get distance multiple times, you don't need to repeat anymore. How would you do that? Yeah, you think first.
I could get a list of lists where inside each list, inside the list, there is a list of the number of A, the number of T, and the number of C until that point. So I can just minus off.
Yeah, you can. Cumulative, yeah. Remember prefix sum or cumulative array will probably also useful. I'm trying to implement that now. I'm actually doing that now. I haven't finished. Too slow. But yeah,
let's see. Count. How long is it? is long. So it shall be an array of arrays. Array. Or is it just like this? Let's put in a question. 9, 15. How do you make an array of arrays? Array of array is or multi-dimensional. Oh, how many? It's how long A is. A dot length is 3. 2 is a 2. And then for equal 0 I smaller than A dot length plus so for the first one uh count count A count A count A 0 which string switch switch string switch A 0 if it's an A and then that means count A 0 the first one 0 or 1 count 0 equal 0 0. A 0 0 equals 0 count A 1 A 0 1 0 count A 0 2 also equals to 0 1 and then after that
A2, T1, T2, C1,
A
C2.
A3 count A 0 1 equal 1 break this count A 0 2 equals to 1 break this. Okay or if it's not. In I plus 1 I smaller than A, that long. Uh, let's see. The,
Memset itu include-nya apa ya, Mas?
mem set first is the array, second is the 0 or 1, and then
No,
third,
include-nya apa?
oh, mem set algorithm.
No, I don't think it's algorithm.
Not?
Can I, I'll find.
Wait, you need this. Why does it expect
C-string.
why does it expect this? Why does it expect semicolon? The for.
Which one?
Why does the for expect a semicolon?
Can you erase dulu? Erase the semicolon dulu. Oh yeah, that looks strange. Maybe you just add semicolon? How come ya? Mine is not asking for semicolon. I'm using switch also, but it's not asking semicolon.
Now there's this error.
Can you scroll up a bit? Oh, I think it's your. Oh yeah. Oh no. Yeah.
Why is that this?
Scroll up a bit.
Following wherever I go.
You have everything correct. Yeah, looks correct. No, your error is on there. Yeah. What is that? What does it say?
Doesn't say anything. It's just this red dot, red line, wiggly line, red wiggly line.
I have no idea.
Okay. So after
Mas,
oh
you got a hint, Mas. You got a hint from Om Fusar. For the subtasks that you got correct, they only consist of 2 unique letters.
oh really?
I don't know. I thought you handled 3 letters also.
How do I see my submissions? New submissions. Tiny accident. There's group 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Y minus x smaller than or equal
So
to 2.
subtask 1, 2, 3 are. No, I don't know. Your logic seems to
Ah,
already handle the. Oh, number of swap, yeah.
wait. I got correct for subtask 2, but I got time exceeded for subtask 3. That means this. I see this.
Coba yang tadi Mas, apa ATC terus CAT. If it is ATC, how many? Yeah, okay. How many times do you need to do? This means your need to mutate 6, right? 6. Your need to mutate is 6. But how many times do you need to swap?
How many times do I need to swap? Okay, so first ATC, and then that's I switch to one of these. Always switch to a T.
Yeah, it's actually you need to swap 5 times, isn't it?
1, 2, and then no, it's 4 times.
How?
Yes, it is 4 times.
How? Tell me. ATC, put it back. ATC.
Just switch the A and P for both, and then you get 3.
Okay. So 2 times already. Then?
And then switch the T and C.
Oh.
Is that not right?
Yeah. So 4 times lah. That means your answer is wrong because if you divide by 2, you will return 3.
Wait. TAC. ATC.
You will return 3. So correct. I think hint from Fusar is correct. That's why you got wrong answer. That's the explanation for your wrong answer. It does not explain for time limit exceeded, of course, but it explains for your wrong answer.
Oh.
So if it's only 2 letters, like AT only, right? Then of course it's always divided by 2. It's always divided by 2. Because you're only swapping between 2 letters. But if it is 3 different letters, then it's a different story, right? I think, if it is 3 different letters, every group of 3 different letters, you need to swap how many times?
3 different letters. Every group of 3 different letters, you have to swap 2 times.
Correct. Right? And then the rest is just 2 letters, which means you can just divide by 2. See what I mean?
Oh.
So for you need to figure out how many groups of 3 different letters are there, how many groups of ATC are there, right? Then you need to multiply by 2 because for each group you need 2, and then whatever left out of those you need to divide by 2 and then you sum, right? Yeah, that's correct logic. Thank you, Om Asar.
But I'm still doing this. Yeah. So go 1, then I 0 equals to A 0 I minus 1 0. And I AI 2 AI minus 1 2. So I already have the cumulative sum until there. Count A equals 0. Oh no. Also have to do count B. In count A, in count B, and in count B equals to 0. Count B 1 0 and count B 0, yes. And then we do the same thing here. B that B count B B count B. And then One C.
Okay, this is an interesting hint from Om Fusar, Mas. I'm trying to understand also. You wanna see?
What? Instead of complicated switch, simpler count A and can do count AI plus plus. Huh? Count A256. What's count A256?
256 itu apa? 2 to the power of
Count A256. Wait. I want to see the
no, like
AX.
just an array lah, array of 256 numbers. Array
Yes.
of 256 numbers. Itu switchnya. Oh, ATC.
I don't understand. Oh, wait, let me see. Where's
Oh yeah. So it's yeah, correct. It's ASCII. Yeah, correct. That's the trick. Yes, correct. So it's like you got an array of 256, but it's actually you only use 3 out of 256. Yeah, and because of the character, you're right, Mas. So ATC itu berapa? 90 itu berapa? A itu 95 kan? Coba lihat ASCII for A.
A is capital A is
65.
55. Yeah.
Okay, 65. Iyalah. Ya, correct lah Om Fusar lah. Yeah. You understand or not?
No.
So it's like you are creating an array, but you only use element 65. Berapa tadi? 60 berapa?
55.
Capital A, ya 65, and then C itu berapa? 67,
Yeah.
right? 5, 7, and T itu apa? T?
84.
Yeah. Like that. Just to make it simple gitu.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a trick lah. It's just a trick.
So I just change the case into that one.
You don't even need switch case anymore. So you just count A and then the character, right? You use the character itself as the index. Plus. Okay, if you go back to your code,
Yeah.
ATC, you represent ATC by 0, 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
So instead of 0, 1, 2, it's actually just A, T, and C aja. But when you need to define 256 gitu. Because A, T, and C, A is 65, C is 67, T is 80. Yeah.
So I can create a.
It's a good tips actually. Very useful.
Wait. So I create an array that is 84.
Nah, itu yang 012 itu Mas, yang 012, how did you define yang 012-nya itu? Can you scroll up a bit? Scroll up. Where do you define it? 3, right? Line 6, right? That line 6 you define only 3, right? Line 6. Yeah kan? So instead of 3 you put 256 basically.
Why 256?
Well, actually 128 also sufficient, yeah. 128 is also sufficient.
Why?
Basically ASCII. You know, your ASCII characters are up to 1 to 7, no?
Oh yeah, until 1 to 7.
Yeah. But if it is extended, then it goes up to 256 lah. If it is extended, that's why it's 256. So this is like a tips in competitive programming.
Oh.
So you just put it 256, no issue, no big deal. It's small.
So I have
You just need to change line 8 itu. No, you don't need to add anything. Just line
8.
Ya, line 8 itu 256 gitu aja udah. Udah. And then instead of case like that, you just say count A, and then in the second don't erase everything first so that you don't get confused. Just copy paste dulu line 12 itu, move it up, copy paste.
Move where?
Before switch lah. We want to replace switch, right? Yeah. Right. Now instead of saying count A00, you say 0 and then the character, which is A0.
Oh,
You use the character itself as an index.
like this?
Yeah, but the character, what is the character here that you are checking? A0, right?
Yeah.
No. Ayo. Put it back. Put it to 00. Now the second index, yeah, that index, instead of saying 0, you put in the character. What is the character? The character is A
A.
bracket 0, right?
A.
Small a bracket 0. Not that bracket. Look at your switch line. What are you switching on?
This.
Like that. You get it or not?
Oh, then after that,
So if it is A, you will update 65. If it is T, you will update. You get it?
yeah.
Yeah. Udah selesai. So that one line 10, can replace your whole line 11 until 23. You can erase 11 until 23 already. Yeah. Then you do the same thing also for I2. How do you do that? Now you change. This one is what? This one is count B, right?
B, and then A.
Yeah, like that. Yes, correct. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then you can remove the whole thing, right? Same thing also, this switch, you can also do the same thing. For whichever switch that you do, just replace it with that. It's actually very useful. I should have done that also, yeah? Ha ha ha. Anyway, looks like I'm ready to submit. Let me try to submit.
Oh, yeah, can you share a screen? I want to see.
You wanna see? Hold on. Okay, sure. Okay, try submit. Yeah, completion error. What is the error now?
What?
Instantiation
Then I have to change this.
line 74. Okay, man, you continue your work, mas. I'll
Wait,
debug my.
then I have to cancel this, right? Okay. No. Command Z.
Oh,
I have to
I
set.
need to include something for min, yeah. Oh, I need to include IO stream, is it? What is the min function?
Is it like this?
Hold on. Mana? Which one? Which one you are asking for?
So I have to change the A, T, and C, right?
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Then
Yeah. Then you just copy line 16 itu and modify then just put in apa itu? AI.
and then A, I.
Yes.
Yeah.
Plus, right?
No, plus one work. I tried.
Plus won't work. It works lah.
Like that? Last time it didn't. Okay. Expected
That error I don't understand. Okay, it's gone already. That one line can replace your whole your whole switch case.
Then I don't even need this. I can just put it here and change I equals to 0.
No.
Huh? Why? I set it to 0. Everything.
Oh, you already mem set everything to 0.
Why everything? Isn't it only the A, T, and C?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. No, I don't get it now.
Also,
Wait, how can you plus one then? How can you plus then? It's not
because
guaranteed to be zero, right? Then how can you plus?
it is zero. I set it to
But
zero.
no, I don't get it. I don't get it.
Oh, oh yeah. Because this is that with zero. Yeah.
Okay, you
Right.
fix yourself, yeah. You fix yourself.
No. A dot length. A dot length. Mm, mm, Pound. I. 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 Oh. Zero. It is zero. It is zero. Hey, I found a mistake. Yeah, I found a mistake. So we count three, 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 then three,
Oh,
three, three. Wait, I don't even need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need plus
what am I
plus.
getting wrong? Oh yeah, I've not finished.
So I don't need to do this also. Three, three. Okay. This looks correct, I think. So now I have the number of ATC until that point. Oh, I forgot one important part. Now I know why I cannot put this over here. I forgot the only reason why. Equals to count A I minus 1 and we oh loud. 2 3 now we here we 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 okay, now I've got it correct, I think. Hmm. This one is B. Yep. But this is correct though. Yep, correct. And then need to mutate is 0. The substring. I don't need the substring anymore, do I? I'll just keep it here for a while. Then the count. I don't need the count, of course. If count sub A 0 equal to count sub B 0 and count sub B, if count B if count B
Oh, I got 35 points only.
what? That's more than me. I got 0. Actually, how
But
much
how
do I
come
have?
I got wrong in the sample? In the first subtask, I got wrong, eh? Because I couldn't even pass the sample test result, but I could pass the subtask 2 and 3. Okay, something is wrong with my logic. Eh? You want to see my code?
Oh, you got 35. I thought you
Yeah, I
said
got 35.
15. No.
I got 35.
Okay.
Okay. Masih kalah aja sama masih kalah sama Stuis. I need to figure out then where did I go wrong.
So I get the substring. Substring starts with X.
Oh, I know lah. I know where I got wrong.
The substring starts at X 0, 1. Yeah. If count B for B, X
Okay.
0
Try again.
equals to count A X 0 equals to count.
What? Still wrong answer. Why am I still wrong answer?
Count B no X 55.
Why am I wrong answer in group 1? Don't get it. What's wrong? What is group 1? Subtask 1. I got wrong answer is subtask 1. Subtask 2 and 3 is correct. Y minus X less than 2. Why is that a problem?
Minus count X.
Is that a problem?
Okay. So this is the logic at first. Count B X 1 minus count B X minus 1. Wait, when we create an integer at count at in the initialization, does it
Mm-hmm.
become global?
Does it what?
Does it become global?
No, it does not. You need to move it to global.
How
Your
do you make it?
declaration should be in global if you want to use it across.
How do you make it global?
Just move it to the top lah, outside of all the functions lah.
But I
Which one
cannot.
you want? Huh?
I have to make count A and count B global.
Yeah, you just move it to the top.
But I have to
Now,
know.
you don't know the length, right? Just take the maximum length. Done. Maximum length is 100,000.
Oh.
Yeah. It's
Command
okay.
V. Command V. Command V. One hundred. 100. 100. Minus count A. Into count B minus count B X minus 1. Minus 1. A. N. Colon.
Oh, there's a tip, Mas. Very interesting tip from Om Fusar nih. This is new also, so we don't need memset ya.
Huh? Memset.
Tip very interesting.
0. Like
So if
that.
we just say bracket like that, whole array becomes zeros. Okay, that's good. So we don't really need memset.
Oh. Ah.
Very useful.
Hmm.
Let me try that also.
Count A equals to. So like this. Or is it like this? Is it like this?
Sorry.
Is it like this? This is an array of X.
Yeah. But but you already defined count A on the top, right? You should define it on the top there, right? Define it at global. Seta, I'm trying to figure out why I got wrong in the simplest subtask. That is funny. Oh, I just realized. Oh, that's interesting. That's even better tips, Mas. Okay. All right. That's very useful. We don't even need to do that, yeah. It is global, yeah. Okay, that's important tips. Oh my god, there's so many tips like this, yeah. C++, IOI, C++.
Oh, I forgot. I only if count A x A minus count A x minus 1 A equals to count B x minus 1 A. Count A x B B B. I just bisa lah. So minus B equals count B x B minus count B x minus 1.
Hey, what am I doing?
Who? Me?
No, me. Oh, no, never mind.
And count B. Count A C minus 1 G C S. That one. But this is only if x is greater than 0. If x greater than 0, then I do this. Where is it? This? This. This over here. This should be over here. Maybe not be there. This should be the tab.
But then first you're gonna see something.
Oh my god.
What? What happened?
No, stupid bug. Then how come wait, I don't get it. Anyway, let me just try.
When I go 0, I smaller than I minus x plus
Then I got correct. Oh, because because it's only 2. Yeah. Hi.
Spider-Man.
So then
Okay, good. Now I got wrong answer. What does this wrong answer mean? What is this? Subtask 4. Wait, Mas, I'm 56 now.
what? Really? I'm gonna refresh. Command R.
How come I got 56? Yeah.
Else return minus
I got
1.
56. Where is 56? Oh, 21, 22, 13. Oh yeah. So I got all subtask 1, 2, 3. Oh, so must this you only got subtask 1 and 2, yeah? Okay. I got subtask 1, 2, 3.
I got time I exceeded.
Continue, Mas. You are on the right track already.
So if I got it count. So long. It is a 0. Else I do the same thing. The but this time I don't have to minus.
Okay, now 56, but I got wrong. What is this? Why do I get wrong? What's
Okay.
this? K? Who is K?
Huh? Who? Where?
He's saying hi in YouTube.
Who's K? P.
Oh, Kian ya, Kian, your classmate lah, Kian. Kian, your
Really?
classmate.
Oh
No?
yeah. Really?
Classmate.
Kian.
Kian lah, Kian. Halo Kian, you wanna join us? You wanna join
What?
us? You can send you the
This is
private
Kian.
link via WhatsApp.
Oh.
Mas this, you can send Kian the link to this stream, StreamYard to
Me?
WhatsApp. Who knows you want to join?
I sent him. Really?
Yeah. The URL on the top in StreamYard.com with the code, with the secret code, right? Just copy paste and send him to WhatsApp via WhatsApp.
Let's see. I don't know. He has a lot of accounts, so I don't know which one is his actual one. What?
I got subtask 1, 2, 3 solved. No, I got 56 point. No.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Kian, you can learn together. We can
Where
learn
is
together.
Kian? There, Kian. Kian. There. Bye bye. There. Not bad. Okay. There, I sent him the link.
Okay, good.
I didn't know he will come.
How do I pass wrong answer in subtask? What's wrong? What's wrong in subtask 4? Why I got wrong in subtask 4? Why do I get wrong in subtask 4?
So if it is so if the A, T, and C is the same, I just count. I count how many.
Subtask 4 is when I have 3 different letters. When I have 3 different letters.
I equals 0, I smaller than I is 0, I is no, I is X, Y, I is smaller than or equal to Y, and I plus is X until Y. I need the string. I need to globalize the string.
But I got correct into first subtask. Then I got wrong. Yeah.
S1, I.
Why do I get wrong?
I. Let's just see.
With these 3 letters, you move 1, 2. Or can you combine?
This is a letter. Wait, from. If I get the letter, if If string 1 I is not equal to string 2 I, then need to mutate as plus. Hmm, So now I have the characters that I need to mutate.
Oh.
Hmm, Where is it? If is the else? Where's the if? Okay, then else return -1. And after the if statement, I have to make a for loop.
Halo Kian,
Hi.
welcome.
Hello.
Hel- Hello. And
Then
I do not know how to code. So I don't know why I am in this stream yet.
I don't know. You
You can
just
learn. You wanna learn? Wanna learn together?
I'm not on PC right now.
Oh, I see. You're on mobile.
ah okay. Modulo 3 multiplied by 2 divide by 3 multiplied by 2. So it's need to mutate. So I got the need to mutate. I divide by 3. I minus need to mutate, and I mod 3, and then I divide by 3, and I multiply by 2. And then plus need to mutate mod 3 modulo 3 divide by 2. Yeah, maybe this will work. Will this work? Why is there an error? Why does why does the file have an error? What's this error? I still don't understand this error. Yeah, what's this error? Just disappeared.
Sorry.
What's this error?
Uh, I can you scroll shift a bit? Maybe you miss some. Can you move to the right? Yeah, that's no. Oh, you cannot, mas. Because you cannot put comma like that. You need to put it as separate lines
Oh,
because you're no longer declaring. Remember, you are assigning. You are not declaring. Yeah.
oh. That's so long. Count AIA, the ATC. Okay, but still, it's still like this. There's still the error.
Hmm.
Still this error.
Can you check again? Can we see? How about on the top juga you do line 11 and 9 the same thing.
Oh,
You did the same thing line 11 and 9.
hmm. Now it's still the same thing. That is weird. NDC. Why is wrong? Expected.
Boo,
23.
boo, 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 boo.
23. 2. Yeah.
You treat it as 2, right? 2, 2, 2. 2, 2,
What?
2.
Why is this error? Someone tell me why this is an error.
Oh, actually, it's a valid syntax. I am wrong then. Sorry, Mas. I am wrong. Confusar is. So you were right. You can do it that way.
But
I
why?
think it's error then. Do you want to like close the file and open it again? Who knows? It's just a bug in the Visual Studio Code.
Mhm.
Okay, you want to return it back. Okay.
Is that all? Is that done?
Yeah, should be. Maybe
Yeah.
just save the file, close it, and open it again, and see if still see the same.
Minus count and this one go minus
Yeah, VS Code's background compiler sometimes is buggy, so that's why.
then DNA.
Maybe we should. Is it recommended to just use?
Yep, it works now.
Yeah, yeah, it's just a bug from the VS Code then. Thank you. I also learned new thing. I didn't know it works that way.
Oh no.
So what is the difference now? What did you change?
What?
Because
Now
everything wrong answer. What did you do? That's everything wrong answer now. Wait, I'm still trying to. Why am I confused? Yeah, when there are three different letters, now I'm suddenly confused now. Why do I? I
Oh,
need to keep on pairing right until I run out of pairs, so to speak.
wait, it's not X, it's Y. Y.
Do that.
That Y equals to count B Y minus count B X minus 1 and count A Y T minus count A X minus 1 T equals count B Y T Y Y count B Y. Y minus X 1 X minus 1. What is wrong? There's something wrong here. Is there anything
Jewish,
here?
what are you even coding?
Uh, uh,
Fusar. Ah, yeah.
I don't
Thank
know
you.
what I mean.
Thank you for the kind reminder. Fusar, mas. Look at the. But at least I got 56 lah. Not so bad lah. But I think it's quite generous, yeah. The easiest test case, you could actually get a lot of points. It's quite generous. Anyway,
I don't even.
trying to figure out how to deal with three different letters now. Why am I confused? Why am I confused?
There's something. Oh, oh. When I undo too far. That need to mutate divide by 2. Need to mutate modulo 3 divide by. Why did I undo too far? Okay, maybe it will work now. Maybe. I don't know.
You have to do it twice.
Why? I don't know how to do. What? Oh.
Itu mas advice from Om Fusar tuh.
Jam
Jam
terbang.
terbang.
Jam terbang meaning your flight hours, meaning how long have you practiced? How long you practice? So you continue practicing every day lah, inshallah. Now you need to learn to test the code. Try to be able to compile the program. Okay, let's figure out how to compile your code, yeah, in Mac, yeah.
Wow, what is this? References.
I think just go to terminal and try to compile lah. We can try to use G++, I think.
Okay. So what do I do? G++.
Check the script and modify if necessary. Okay, let me check. Compile. Oh, okay. Open the compile cpp.sh file, mas. That's no. Just open in your text.
Huh? Oh, this one?
Yeah, the file compile now. This one. So yeah, line 6 is your compile line. So maybe if you can just change manually, right? Oh, we need a slash lah. We need a slash in between, right? No? Oh, we don't need. Okay, sorry.
Minus static minus wait.
Grader.
Grader name. Oh, the grader. Problem.
Grader.cpp.
Set terminal. I do command p slash. And the problem is DNA. Then the grader name is
Grader.cpp.
DNA grader.cpp and DNA.cpp. I don't understand.
Yeah, it's all warning. Is there error? Is there any error?
Array subscript is of type
Error.
sub.
There's an error. Huh? No error.
There is an error. Is it?
Scroll up. Is there an error somewhere on the top? Or is it just all warning?
It's all warning. Yeah, it's all warning.
Yeah, I think you get warning because there is a -w all. -w all means you want to see all the warnings. But if you remove -w all in your command, when you execute, just press up, press arrow up, and remove dash wall itu. Coba enter. This one I don't know. Library not found. Itu tuh errornya tuh. Library not found for lcrt0.o. What is that? lcrt0.o. What is that?
LCRT.
Itu lcrt0.o. What is that thing? Library not found.
But blah blah not CV.
Scroll down. See the answer lah. This is just the question. You need to see the answer.
Oh, this one.
Oh, I think one of the options. Yeah. So what was the option? Can you go to your terminal again? What is the code there? Press up. Maybe we remove that. What is -0 Oh no, remove the dash static dash o. Dash static dash o coba. Ya, just remove it coba. No such file. Okay, dash o.
What is the problem, Jimmy?
Yeah, maybe remove dash static only. You put back dash o. I
Dash
think
O.
o is before DNA, mas. Um,
Dash.
okay, actually dash o. Ya, coba enter. Works.
Huh,
So
work.
static was the problem. But then how do you run now? How you run the grader? No lah. LS coba LS.
Yes. Whether run is compile.
DNA. So type DNA coba. DNA. Oh nggak bisa.
Oh, I think it was dot
Slash DNA. Slash bukan backslash. Then you need to put in the input, right? Input format. You can copy paste from example input, right?
Command C. Command V. What's the input again? 134535.
What do you get?
I get 212. But
Two.
what's
And
the answer?
your result?
2 1 minus 1.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why you got wrong answer lah. That means you got wrong answer in the third test case.
Why?
What is the third input?
Eh,
The input, the third one, 35. You got wrong when it is 35. 35 is what? 35 means
Substring. The
C80
substring.
80A. C80 yeah, C80 80A should be minus 1 lah, because the number of C
0 1 2
number of C is not the same.
80A C80.
Yeah, why
Yes.
did you written, yeah, why did you think it's the same? You need to check your logic there.
I don't even understand my own code.
Oh, there is transcpp.sh, mas.
Huh?
Tips from Om Fusardo. We can just
Run.
run, yeah, because there is another shell file. Can you go back to terminal?
Run.
No, you don't need to type run. You put dot slash. No, you don't need. Or is it? Yeah. No, run underscore cpp. The file name is, yeah, tap. Yeah. I have no idea what that is. Okay,
Yes.
same. Okay lah, same lah. Yeah.
212 also. Why is it 2?
Yeah, so your problem is okay, you figure out lah. That means you didn't handle the impossible case correctly.
If count A is count B, then N count B. What is wrong about this? If X is greater than 0, right? If count AY 05, yeah, A minus count A X minus 1. X is 3. 2. Yeah, that's correct to me. Count B Y A minus count B X minus 1A. Count A Y T minus count A X minus 1T equals to count B Y T minus count B X minus 1T. And count A Y C minus count A X minus 1C is equals to count B Y C minus count B X minus 1C. This is correct to me. What is wrong? I reset for every test case? Did I reset for every test case?
Huh?
Yeah, I think. Or else the another one wouldn't work. What is wrong?
So, Mas, do you know the incorrect test case? So this is the tips from Om Fusar, tuh ya. It's easier to debug if you know the incorrect case now, right?
Yeah.
And you can also test with your own test case, lah. You try your own, right? So, do you know your bug now? Your problem? Have you find out
Nope.
what went wrong? Why didn't you handle the number of character or the count character correctly?
No, I don't. I can't find it out.
Okay, you figure out first, yeah, yourself.
It's correct to me. What is wrong?
Oh my god.
Later. Oh, the easiest problem is so hard. How do they get 100?
Hey, but at least you got 43 points.
You got 56.
Yeah, thank you. It's okay.
Count AY. I still don't understand what is wrong here. How do I do? I don't need the substring anymore, right? Do I?
Repeat again.
Do I need a substring?
Depending on your logic, what do you wanna do? What do you wanna do inside get distance? Okay, the last time we checked was you wanted to move some of your logic from get distance to init, right? So what do
Yes.
you move to init now? What do you do during init?
I
Count
create.
apa itu? You count the letters, ya?
Yeah. Count the letters.
Do you count the letters or you count the different letters?
I count. I count the how many the frequency of A, T, and C until this point.
Yeah, but what you need is actually only the different ones, right? You only need the different ones. If they are the same, even though you know it's A, it's T, C, doesn't matter. If they are the same, you don't care, right?
What do you mean?
Okay, why? Oh, you.
This one is
So
to check.
how does that help, though? How
Is to
does
check
that?
if it's possible or not. It's to check if it's impossible or possible.
Oh, oh itu Mas. There's a tips from Om Fushar tuh. He's helping debug your code. You have a duplicate in count A declared. Can you see the code? Are you
Yeah.
declaring count A again somewhere?
Oh, here.
Yeah, you should not do that. No, you declare again the int. You shouldn't do that. Just
But
remove it.
then how do
How what? You just remove it. It's okay. It's already declared as global. You remove the whole line. Yeah, and line 9 also. Yeah. Okay, sorry, I didn't know that. Didn't realize. I thought you already removed it. If it is global, you don't need to define it again. Thank you, Om Fusar. So yeah, ayah manggilnya kok Om Fusar terus ini, Om Asar ini. Tapi handle-nya emang Fusar sih.
count it? No, I just want to. My brain is. S1, that's a string. I don't understand what is wrong. I really don't. Oh. What's wrong? I wonder what is wrong. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Con A, con B, con B, con C, con C, con D, con It's not right. I can't find out what's wrong. Really. I don't understand what's wrong. Really. Oh.
Tuh Mas, suruh try to just submit tuh. Or have you run again?
Yeah, I've run again. It's still the same thing.
Oh, you already tested with the test case. Have you compile again? You cannot
No.
just run only. It's not Python. You
Oh.
compile. Yeah,
What?
it's unlike Python. So compile is your manual, this one, right?
Yeah. And
Yeah,
then
and then
after that,
run, this one. Then you copy paste.
oh yeah, copy paste. Yay! Oh, I was right.
Okay, submit. Oh, thank you, Fusat.
Just compiling.
You can just submit now.
Oh no. Wrong one, wrong one, wrong one. Hmm. Ah, now I only got correct for one. That's weird. That's a lot of memory. That's group 1, subtask 1 and 5. That's group 2, subtask 2, 3, 4, 5. That's group 3, subtask 3 and 5. That's group 4, subtask 4 and 5. That's group 5, subtask 5.
Does it increase your score? No, yeah.
No.
Okay.
Wait, what do they mean subtask 1 and 5? Do they mean both 1 and 5?
Hmm.
Wait, so it's basically just 1. Yeah.
Hmm.
So when they say subtask 2, 3, 4, 5, do they mean subtask 2, 3 and 4 together?
Oh, yeah. I don't know how it works, but what does it mean? I don't know. Q, 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 Q.
Wrong answer now. I think answer. Subtask. Subtask 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything except 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Why?
Actually, it would be super useful if we can have the sample file. Yeah.
Oh, got another person try.
Azaki. I don't know.
Wait, I want to check my submissions. My
It was the meaning. Om Asar bilang the meaning of test cases in the group. It satisfied the constraints of all subtasks mentioned. The test cases in the group satisfy the constraints of all subtasks mentioned.
huh? I don't understand.
So all the test cases in that particular group, the constraints of the subtasks are valid. Are satisfied.
Oh,
Combination of subtask constraints. Yeah. I'm also still debugging my code. Why am I so confused? My brain is convoluted already.
correct. Me too.
It,
My brain is
it's
exploded. Ah, now I go here. Ah, can't believe it. I don't know how to do it. Touching up. Yeah, look, I copied my previous answer. Now I have score 43. Well, what? How do you do? How, what is wrong?
Oh my god, what am I doing?
I am so confused because I don't know how to do. I don't know what is wrong. What is wrong? If there was a simple test case, then ah, 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 ah.
Ayo, I already changed my code a lot and I realized my new idea is wrong.
Then why is this wrong?
Don't tell me I need to repeat again the whole thing.
You have to repeat again the whole thing.
Nah itu mas, you need to check your logic. Om Asar kasih tahu tuh, you need to check your logic. Is your logic is even correct or not?
Hmm. So first
Is
I
your
count
logic?
the frequency of the letters to check if it's possible or not. Yeah, that's correct. I think. I know that it's correct. Maybe.
I need to undo all the way, undo everything all the way. Oh my god, so many things to undo. It was a lot of work. I should have committed my code, huh?
Commit. Yeah, correct. But I don't have. Man. Okay. How do I do this? Yeah, you are rank 56. So you
I got 59 lah total so far.
last page 59.
59.
59,
Nah, not so bad lah.
346. You are the 346th rank. You are higher than somebody from Colombia. Yeah, Colombia. But I am even better. I am higher than somebody from Dominican. Dominican? Dominican. Dominican Republic. Yeah. Zero, zero, zero. Even getting zero, that's okay in the IOI. The math should be the hardest. Uh, 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 Only a few more. Then is even more. But I don't. Okay. Go back. Like check with the so I have the number of AT, the frequency of AT and C until this point, and then I get the frequency of AT and C until point Y, which is the last point of the substring, and then I minus off the rest, the excess one, which is point X minus one, because X is the first point of the substring, and I
Oh,
minus.
your written-nya yang salah, Mas.
Hmm?
Your written is wrong.
Why?
Yeah, because okay, first of all, logic that I gave you was wrong. That group of three, ya kan? Identify group of three, and group of three you need to swap. Maybe the logic itself correct, but then how do you find the group of three is the wrong part. You cannot just modulo three like that. This group of three must really contain three different letters, right? It's a set of three kayak ATCCAT tadi loh. Set of
Oh,
three different letters
so the group,
that
so the
misplace with each other. So actually we need to keep track of the pairing also. That's what I was editing in my code, and then I realized yeah, I was there's a bit of mistake. But anyway, we cannot just do that actually. Why don't we do this? Just return need to mutate divided by 2. Coba deh.
okay.
Yeah, just return this. You will get the same as me. You will get same point as me.
Did I copy something else? What's that? Oh wait, I submitted. Where's the
Coba just submit aja.
DNA.cvg? Submit. Just now, it's now. Come on,
Oh,
R.
kenapa? Oh,
No,
wrong answer ya.
no. Yeah, so you got 22 previously.
How come now you are 22? You
Yes,
need to you need to
submitted.
submit again your old code.
Wow.
Oh, it doesn't keep track the highest score ya. It just take the latest score ya. Did you commit your previous code yang, or you
This
can
one.
just resubmit yang your old one aja.
So I commit this one, the one I got 43.
Oh, you
But
have it saved, is it? You have it saved somewhere, is it?
yeah, I copy it.
Oh, okay. You put it separately, yeah. Okay.
Shift command.
You could have committed also, right?
Command
Anyway,
A.
doesn't matter. Up to you. Whichever works.
Command
So okay, you find the you find the you
C.
find the logic first lah.
How do you open this one? Yeah. Okay. So then I got 43. Woohoo! This one I have to copy this whole thing. This 50 line code. So long. I didn't even realize I typed that much. I only like 10.
Okay, maybe do you wanna call it a break dulu? You think properly, yeah. When we try again, maybe tonight lah. Tonight with Habibi lah maybe. Yeah, we try again tonight with Habibi. Okay.
X. Yes.
You can commit it first. You say it's 43 points. Commit.
Then
Right.
143 points. Yay. With good art. And I copy this whole thing and I put it here. A column C, then I'll go for my A column B. Huh? Yeah. Why you seriously have to write everything there? Look, my line of code is so long. But now it's getting shorter. Ah. Oh no! I don't have my old code.
You don't have what?
I don't have my old code.
What do you mean your old code? What old?
I
Your
still have
new
it.
one or your old one?
I still have it. I still have it. Yeah.
Old one you can always get from your submission, right?
No, the new one. The new one. The
Yeah,
new.
a new one then you need to undo. That's why it's important to commit, mas.
But this one is.
Correct. Just move
Yeah.
it to the folder that you like.
And DNA.cpp. Yep, everything's the same. I think. Yeah, and then this one is already in. Um,
Okay, let's call it a day for now. So I got 56 point. You are at 43 point. That's good.
we
We
don't have
try again. We try again tonight, yeah, together with Habibi.
one R.
All right.
Me. I like
You
it.
need to get ready
Me.
for afternoon and yeah.
Me.
All right. Thank you, Om Asar and everyone. Bye.
Me.